a scenic waterfall that captured the eye of every tourist. The size of it is approximately combined by 3D Malabdab Falls. The cars was put all together at the top of the waterfalls that their blood flowed and caused the water to become red. To be added, some blood have coated the stone and gave a reflection of some like red. And thus the marvelous yet mysterious reason behind this Pulang Tubig.
The canyon. It was used by the Japanese Army in the late 1945 of World War II. The people in Patag found this in a cave along the way to the Malabdab Falls. It was preserved by Tagapatag to serve as part of history.
Ladla Resort was derived from the name of the youngest son of the owner. Every morning is just an awesome experience. The coldness is entering in your bones that you can't even move normally. Everything is organic and ready. The view of the mountain is just an inch to be touched. The entrance won't make you poor, but instead, it will actually put your savings in a proper place. Every room you need a ventilation. The air is free. After you have rest, you can visit the shrine, the World War II commemoration, base of all the people who died.